I believe that we are on the cusp of a new industrial revolution. We've been recognized around the world as one of the leading brands in the maker movement. So TechShop, just for those of you who may not be aware, we're membership-based, which means you pay a monthly fee, $125 a month, which is very inexpensive. It's open access. Anyone over the age of 16 years old can come in and use our tools once they've been trained on how to use the tools. We're open 24/7. We believe that people like to be creative even at 3 o'clock in the morning or 4 o'clock in the morning. We teach hundreds of classes every single month. How to use a laser cutter, how to use a 3D printer, how to use textiles, a sewing machine, computer numerically controlled machine tools, 3D printing, which are also computer numerically controlled, a laser cutter. This is a very easy to use, very powerful tool. Complete sheet metal shop, welding studio, MIG and TIG welding, plasma torch to be able to cut things, a water jet. It's computer numerically controlled. You can download a design off the internet or you can do the design. This cuts through 5 inches thick of anything on the planet. A complete woodworking shop, complete plastics lab. Software is one of the most important things that's happening here. The ease of use of the software is such that 8-year-olds are now using pads to be able to do design and development work. We're actually with Fujitsu, with that trailer, going and meeting with 8-year-olds, and in 4 hours, they're learning how to design and make something from scratch and print it out on a 3D printer. Most importantly, what we're actually doing is creating a community of the most creative people in the city that we're operating in and having them come together to help solve their problems. Many people come to our location and they walk through and they think all we're doing is providing access to tools. That is not what we're doing at all. We've built a transformative experience retailer, the power of the Industrial Revolution for the middle class. James started Square. This came out of our Menlo Park location. This company is worth $6 billion. It's responsible for helping to create over 35,000 jobs in the month of August of 2012 alone, from small companies being able to take credit cards for the very first time. They actually had to expand in order to meet demand. This is called Embrace. There's a polymer pouch that goes into the back of this that keeps an infant at 98.6 at the appropriate temperature. 500,000 babies die every year when they're born 2 weeks too early. They can't regulate their temperature, and they have 1 hour to get to an incubator. Jane's team came up with this idea of putting a polymer pouch in the back of this that would extend that by 1 hour. They then, after they graduated, came to TechShop Menlo Park, and through interactions with our community, a polymer chemist helped them increase its range from 1 hour to 4 hours. It's a 3-fold increase in the technology, but because we're dealing with the geography, it's actually a 9-fold impact on the core technology that has saved 150,000 babies. And the way we do that is through engaging and enabling a community of the most creative people. And they will all be in together working on their own personal projects, helping one another achieve their dreams, aggregating the most creative people in the community so they can solve one another's problems. So our mission is to help drive global innovation by engaging, enabling, and empowering the creative class to build their dreams.